stop shaming yourself. Thoughts like, why can't I do this? What's wrong with me? Why can't I get hard? Why can't it be like how it used to be? What's wrong with my body? Will I ever be normal again? These types of things, are they helping? Are they helping? Seriously. On this journey to get performance anxiety, erection problems sorted, does the shame and guilt help? I know personally it doesn't. You know that too. So what do we do instead? First, we find something to be grateful for every day. Look around. There's the sea, there's plants, there's sunset. There's so much to be grateful for. And by focusing on one thing every day, something little, does not have to be something big, we start to rebalance our mind and not just focus on the shame and guilt. That's the first thing. Second thing, we have to take action. We have to actually do something when it can be easier to sit around in our own guilt and shame, feeling sorry for ourselves, trying to figure out why this has happened, watching endless videos and still not getting the results that we want. Just be honest with yourself. Is that where you're at? How long has this been going on for? And what you've been trying, has it been working? You deserve results. So, if the answer, being honest with yourself, is it hasn't been working, things aren't better, the results are not where I expected them to be, then it's simple. It's time to do something different. First step, if you haven't done it already, take the performance anxiety quiz. It's below in the comments. 10 yes or no questions that you can answer. It's free. I will then send you your personal score and your report so that we can get to the bottom of this, figure out what's going on, get it sorted so that you can feel normal again. If that sounds good to you, instead of more weeks, more months, more days of feeling shit at ourselves, then head below to the comments, click on the link to the performance anxiety quiz. It will take you straight to the page where you answer the first question, and I will see you there.